Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your iPhone is silencing notifications, hiding alerts or limiting calls, focus mode is likely turned on. In this guide or in iPhone settings 2026, focus mode controls do not disturb, sleep, work, personal and any calls to focus, and you can turn it off instantly. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to turn off focus mode on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, I want you to get in the settings. Okay, so this is where all focus modes are managed. Scroll down and tap focus or type it on the search bar, okay, to for not wasting time. So you will see all available focus modes. Okay, so identify the active focus mode. So at the top you will see which focus is currently active, such as do not disturb, sleep, work, personal, costume, focus. So tap the one that's on. Okay, so and toggle the focus switch to off, so notifications and calls will resume immediately. Okay, so confirm focus mode is disabled, so because it's once it's off, notifications appear normally, calls ring as usual, focus icon disappears from status bar, lock screen alerts return, no restart required. Okay, so turn off schedules and automations important. So if focus keeps turning on by itself inside the focus mode, disable schedule, smart activation, location based activation, app based activation. So this stops automatic triggers. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.